Hi, I'm going to be doing chapter 17, which is sorting. Sorting can be used in multiple subjects. I'm going to give you an example of sorting with ELA, with math, and with science. And they can be kind of a little bit different. They can be whole group or small group or even individual assessment. Sorting is good for. So, first example I'm going to give you is sorting words. So what I would do in the class is this might be something I would do as a whole group. These might be our word wall or our sight words or the words we're learning for the week. And I'm going to break them up for them and see if they can sort them and visualize these words a different way. So we probably would go through the words first and we'd say them together. We have been, sat, friend, sand, hand, chat, win, spin, tend, mat. And after we go over the words, then I'm going to call on my friends to help me sort them. And the first thing I'm going to ask them, since we are also going to be trying to learn onset and rhyme, onset being the beginning sound, rhyme being the end sound, I will say, what is the some words that rhyme with in, and then I'm going to color code it. So the first one, my friends have answered win, so I'm going to draw a line, and they said spin, and they said, is there any more? This one is tricky. Then someone said, even though it doesn't make the same look, which that's not what this is about. It's not do they look the same, it's do they sound the same, and bin. So we're going to do this. All right, then I'm going to say, what is a rhyme with at? At is the N sound. We're looking for N sound, at, and they say chat, and they say mat, and they say sat. So, and we're going to go on, and we're going to do the next one. Rhyme sound is end, and they say friend, and tend, and then the rhyme sound is and. My red, because we want to match the colors, because it's also kind of visual, so they can go back, and it makes a neat little pattern. So they say sand, and hand, and then we notice we used all those words. Now we're not done. Now I ask them, we're going to do the onset, which is the beginning sound. And I say the beginning sound, what do we see that makes that sound? And they raise their hand and they say sat, sat, and spin, and sand. Right. And so they get all those. Then I say, let's look at the end and see if we can pick out letters. This isn't the sound. We're looking for end letters. The word ends in a letter D. And we say friend. Oh, I got the wrong color. That's all right. And we say sand, and hand, and tend. And we say, is that all? Yes, got them all. And the last question I'm going to ask is, the N letter is the letter T. The letter T. And we're doing brown. And they say sat, and chat, and mat. And I think that's it. And so we did a sorting together. This was a whole group sorting. All right. My next example that I'm going to show you is science. Now science, you can even do you could do more hands-on and let the kids do it together in small groups. I would probably give a small group of 3 or 4 a magnet. I'd give them assortment of pictures and or things, and they could go through and test to find out if something is magnetic or non-magnetic. and then they could write what that is, paste the picture. So if they had a picture of a paperclip on their thing, they could cut that out. So at the end, I would want as the whole group, as that small group, to be able to show me things that are magnetic and non-magnetic. That's one group of sorting. I might also do sorting. This could be individual sorting. This could be a whole group sorting, or either one. We could do a math. This one I did an addition and subtraction sorting. So let's say I gave everybody individually a piece of paper that had addition problems and subtraction problems. Maybe they're solved, maybe they're not. That could be part of it. But the sorting part would be, I might say, I'll, draw 2 bubbles on your paper and write in the bubbles the ones that they're addition and write the ones that are in subtraction. I might leave a few open spaces in them and say, can you create your own addition and or subtraction problem to add to your bubbles? So those are just a few examples of how we could do sorting in the classroom. Thanks.